Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're a designer or a developer using Figma, you're going to love this update. Figma just rolled out some amazing new features and I'll be showing you some of these new features today. So the first one we're going to explore today is this new feature called FigPal. So go to your toolbar and you can see the FigPal icon there. Just click on it, then it pops this mode out for you. So you can create a FigPal more like a body or let's say an assistant. So you can customize it, you can change it into how you want it to look like you can give it a new field, color, you can change it. So I'm going to be going in with this Figma's own. So I'm just going to change the cap. I'm just going to customize it how I like. You can also give it a name, then you can activate your FigPal. You can also set it so you can see other people's own, then save it. So it is like this is how it looks like on the Figma canvas. So it can move with your cursor, or you can also pack it if you want it to take a break. I really like this. So you can explore this and see how it works on your own end. Then the next one I'm going to talk about is the annotation. So to go to the annotation, you need to go back to your toolbar. Then from your toolbar, you will see in the comments section, you will see a drop down, and that drop down, click on that drop down, you will see the next one that says annotation. If you work with developers, this is going to save you a ton of back and forth communication. Now, instead of leaving comments that might get lost, you can just drop annotations directly on a design to give clear instructions. So you can select a category, add the text you want to, you can add design specs, interaction notes, anything you want them to see, and they can see it in the dev mode. You can also include properties, and these properties are generated from that particular frame you are highlighting or you are on. So you can see your properties and adjust the properties, or even add the properties to that particular location. And this feature is perfect for handoff. It ensures that your team knows exactly what you want to build without second guessing your intention. So it is even better and preferable. And once you are done adding the annotation, all you have to do is just to press the escape key on your keyboard, then automatically it saves. So the developers can see it because it is linked to every screen that you added this annotation to. So for instance, now this frame I added it to, when I click on it, I can see that there's an annotation on the screen and it reflects like that on their own end. So let's explore the last one we're going to look at today. We're going to talk about Figma's new accessibility feature. So this is very interesting. So making designs more inclusive is crucial, and Figma just made it easier. So in this update now, you can check color contrast instead of using plugins. So just go to your colors and you can see that icon there to check your color contrast. So it automatically helps you detect contrast issues and suggest fixes. So you can navigate this and you can see that there's a drop down and you can see the text here. So you can know if it's properly if the contrast is okay or not, and you can fix it. So if it is not okay, then the final feature we're going to talk about is the measurement. Now this one is also interesting. Instead of using your instinct and I'm just trusting those red lines or your spacing, you can use this measurement. So I'm just going to create a frame so I can show you the proper use. Then you come to your toolbar, click on menu, then you can see that on this frame section, you can create a red line. Just drag it down from that point. You're going to see a circle-like icon. Then drag it. You will see that there's a number in the red lines. So this shows the measurement between two entities. So you can use this for your measurement, like within two properties, two frames, two icons, like from the container to something or a property inside it or an entity inside it, and it shows you this red line with the pixel measurement, so you can see the number of spacing between two properties. And that is a wrap. Figma's latest update is packed with powerful features that can improve workflow, collaboration and inclusivity. Which feature are you excited about the most? Let me know in the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more uiux design tips. Bye. I'll see you in my next video.